Hi everyone, today on Boschendal we're going to be talking about olives. We're going to go and meet the team who are harvesting this morning, and we're going to find out what happens to the olives that we grow here on the farm. First, I just have to give you a quick 360 of this beautiful sunrise view that I'm seeing right now. There's the sun rising over the Klein Drakenstein range. I'll bring you around to see Groot Drakenstein. And then of course the majestic Siemelsberg glowing in this light. We're so lucky here on Boschendal that we get to see all of these mountains every day. Okay, we're here within the olive trees and we're going to go chat to David. He's actually from our treehouse team, but a very talented guy and likes to get involved in all different things across the farm. So he's going to tell us a bit about what they're harvesting today.
Good morning. Welcome to our olive grove. We are standing between lots of different olive trees, two types in particular. We've got Frantonios that grow in a group of clusters, and we've got our mission olives that we are looking for. It's what we're going to eat. And I also want to show you the difference between the two olives. So the Frantonio is, again, it grows in a cluster and it has this white oil. So this is 75% olive oil, and that's what we use for olive oil. Unfortunately, we're not going to be making olive oil, but we are going to give away some olives. So these mission olives have a very rich purple color, and that shows you that it's the olive we want to eat. So I'm going to show you guys a few different ways of harvesting olives. Starting with the mission olives, it's a nice small tree and everything's in its own little spot, so it's easy to just hand pick your olives. And it can be a slow process, but I think that's what we like on this farm. Another example is we look at the Frantalino or Frantonio. Because they're in clusters, you could either trim the tree, bring down the branches and harvest from the ground, or if you want, you could be an eager beaver and just slide them all off into your hand, and we've got Frantalinos, Frantonios. Not only can you eat the olives or use them for olive oil, you can also use the leaves in a tea or in a salad. All up to you.
Good morning, everybody. So we have recently opened our farm shop, and what we're currently doing is we are harvesting olives and taking them to the farm shop for the guests to help themselves. So what we also prepared is a recipe for you to know how to go about preserving your own olives and get to enjoy them.
Okay, so as Piwo told us, we're going to make the olives available for you guys in the farm shop. We're open Monday to Saturday, 12 till 4. We also have pre-ordered meat and egg and bread boxes available. But come down, grab some olives. We'll show you what to do with them and let us know how it goes.